Hey guys, this is Chetan for Gizmo Times, and this is the Xiaomi's Mi motion activated night light from the Mijia brand that Xiaomi has for its accessories. I bought this from Barcelona where the new Mi Home was launched, and there were quite a few good accessories. I bought a few pens as well as this motion activated night light. So this is the small box, and the size of the light is just 8 centimeters into 8 centimeters, and it's just less than 4 centimeters thick. In the box as well, you won't find anything else apart from the light and the manual, as well as a hook. A hook is a plastic hook that can hang anywhere, and this light would stick over it. So this is the user manual that comes with different languages. Firstly, the Chinese language, the Mandarin, as well as in English. So these are this is the overview with the alignment mark on the top, the IR sensor on the front side, and the lamp. On the back, there are three slots for the batteries. That's three AA batteries, and there's a hook. This is the hook that comes along, and this sticks on the back of the light itself, and you can hang that anywhere. When you're using the night light for the first time, rotate the back cover counterclockwise to place the three AA batteries. So let me now take off the light itself. So this is the light. You can see it's very small in size, not that small, but yet still 8 centimeters is a very good size for anyone to place the light anywhere. So this is the final size, and it's very light when the batteries are not in. And this is the strip on the back that has to be removed, where the gum area of it would stick to either the hook, or you can try to stick it to some other areas. But then the problem with that is whenever you try to replace the batteries, you'll have to remove the gum, and that could affect the stickiness of the gum itself. So this back cover can be lifted off, and now you'll see three slots for the batteries, the AA batteries. And once you place the batteries there, the light would automatically start for the first time, and you can see the brightness of it. There are two levels of brightness again here, and these are the two levels of light. Right now the brightness is high here, so you don't see so much of the brightness of this light, but then I'll again say that it's not as bright as you would expect it to be usually. There are two brightness levels here. One is a 0.7 lumen that can maintain up to 12 months of using time when you are using the three batteries, and the other is 3.8 lumen that can give you about 6 months of battery life without you having to replace it all the time. And on the front is the IR sensor that would detect the motion if at all there's any motion, and it has a 5 to 7 meters of sensing distance, and there's a 120-degree induction scope. So it has quite a good induction range, and again 5 to 7 meters is a good distance for it to activate any motion and for the light to get activated at all. So this is the Mijia light, and this comes for the price of around 800 rupees if you try to import it from China, and I bought it for 10 euros in the Barcelona Mi Home, and that again converts to about 800 rupees. There are a couple of things that you need to know. It doesn't have any controlling by the phone, it just works by itself, and you'll just have to activate it by placing the batteries, which is a good thing. And you cannot adjust the temperature color. The temperature is fixed at 2700K. So this was the Xiaomi's Mijia, the Mi motion activated night light that is coming at the price of rupees 800. I hope Xiaomi brings these kind of products to India, not just the regular smartphones and now the TVs as well. So this was a quick demo of the light, and I hope you like this video. Do share it, and if you have any other questions about this light, do let me know, because I have bought a bunch of them. I'll be using them regularly and then letting you know about my experience with them. So subscribe to Gizmo Times for more. Thank you for watching.